Hello everyone, my name is Aditya. Just a quick recap of what we did in the last video. So we learned how to use an ESP8266 as a web server, and we defined two commands to control an LED. So one is for LED on and one is for LED off, and then the command looks like this. So first command is for LED on, second command is for LED off. So we can send it through a web browser, and we can see that the LED glows if we give an on command, and then similarly when we give an off command, the LED turns off. So we also get feedback from the server that LED is off or LED is on, so based on the command given. So in this video we'll take it to the next level. So we'll do the same thing with the help of an Android application. So we are going to build an Android application from scratch, and it does the same thing. We'll put a switch on the application, and when we press the button, then the LED is controlled. And instead of LED, we'll try to connect an night lamp from a relay, and we'll try to control the night lamp using the Android application. Okay, so let's make Android application now. So for that I'm going to use a free service or free online tool or online platform called MIT App Inventor. So this is a very famous or I can say easiest way to create an Android app using a drag and drop programming concept. So this is very easy for beginners. You can just create your own application used for your electronics project. So first thing is you need to go to MIT App Inventor website. I'll give the link in the description, and then you need to click on create apps. So once you click on the create apps button, it will take you to the platform where you can create the applications. So first you will get a blank application or a blank screen. So here I have already done a project, so that's why I'm getting this screen over here. So once you get a blank screen, you can go to projects and click on start new project. So once you click on that, you need to give a project name. So for me, I'm using a name called let's say Gen Z underscore home, and then toolkit, select expert, then theme, device default, and then click on OK. So once you do that, you will get your blank project over here. So this is how the screen of your Android application looks like. So it's blank because we are not added anything here. So on the left you can add your user interface, or you can add the interface needed for your Android screen, so which will be displayed on your Android screen. So for example, you can add user interface or layout or media or some drawings or some sensor data or social media info or storage or connectivity. You can add anything. So for us, we are going to use an HTTP request. So for that, for connectivity, first let's add a web. So this is a non-visible component, so it won't be visible here, but this will help you to make connect the application to the internet, and then you can use HTTP request using the web component. So we have added web component. So let's add the switches and then text for our Android application. So first we are going to need a switch. So go to user interface and select switch option here. Just drag it and then drop it on the screen. So here you can see that a text for switch 1 and then a switch appears on the screen. So we can do some of the things for this switch. For example, let's say we need to give another name for this switch. Go here on the right, you can see the attributes for this switch. Okay, so in the switch properties, what we can do is we can delete this text, so we can give our own text. For example, I'm going to give light. So here you can see light appears and then the switch appears next to that. So here you can see that the light is on the top left screen, so I want it in the center, maybe over here. So for that you can use the layout option here. so go to layout and select horizontal arrangement. Just drag and drop it, and then go to this light and then drag this one onto the horizontal arrangement. So for this horizontal arrangement, you can define the height and width and then the alignment inside the horizontal arrangement. For example, I'm going to define height as 50%, so that means it will cover 50% of the screen, just like this. And then I want light to be here, so for the width I'm gonna give 100%, or you can also give the fill parent option. So once you give that, you can see now the arrangement is full, like first half of the screen. I want light to be in the center, so what I can do is in the alignment you can select center, and in vertical alignment also you can select center. So now we can see that light is has come to the center of the top half of the screen. So this is where I like my button to be placed. So you can also select the font of the light or the color of the text. So for me, I'm happy with black color, so let it be like this. So then we also need a label to display the feedback. So for that, go to user interface again and select the label option here. And also on the top you can also display the name of the application. So let's select another label and place on the top, and then I want it in the center. So for that, what you can do is go to layout again, horizontal arrangement, place it here and place this inside this, and then let the horizontal arrangement to be the width be the fill parent. So here you can see the width is fill parent. So horizontal alignment, I want it in the center, so let's let it be in the center. For the label 2, I want font to be, let's say, 20, and then I want text to be the name of the application. For example, Gen Z underscore or Gen Z homes or Gen Z home. So this is the name of the application, and the center, top center. Then I have a button, and then I have a label for the feedback. So for this label 1, so I'm gonna give a default text to be let's say press switch to control LED or light. Alright, so this is the text. So even this I want it to be in the center. Again, place the horizontal arrangement, and you can select this one, alright, this one inside this, and then for the horizontal arrangement 3, width I'm gonna give fill parent, and then alignment as center. So here you can see this has come to the center. So label 1 you can give till P, then press OK. So that's it. So press switch to control the light. So when you press the switch, I want a feedback here that the light is turned on or off. So okay, so this is how the screen looks like. So we have added all the components necessary for our application. So we also added the web component for HTTP request. Alright, so this is the designer block or the designer window where you can add what are all the things that is necessary for your Android application screen. So now we'll go to the blocks section where the real coding take place. So for that, select the block. We'll see that in the part 2 of the video.